In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 3D rotation effect in Excel. If you've ever wanted an image in your worksheet to stand out with a bit of dimensional flair, this built-in feature is quick to apply and looks great in reports, dashboards, and presentations. Start by making sure you already have an image on your worksheet. Click the picture to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the resizing handles around the edges. Selecting the picture also reveals the Picture Format tab on the ribbon. If you don't see that tab, click the image again to confirm it's active. The effect only appears when an actual picture, shape, or object is selected, not when a cell is highlighted. With the picture selected, go to the Picture Format tab and click Picture Effects. This menu gathers several visual enhancements like shadows, reflections, and glows, but we're focused on rotation. Depending on your window size, the button may just show an icon labeled Effects. Either way, open that menu. From the Picture Effects menu, point to 3D Rotation, then choose a preset. As you hover over each option, Excel shows a live preview directly on your picture, so take a moment to explore. Presets like Isometric and Perspective tilt the image to create depth, while options like Off-Axis or Parallel provide subtle angles that work well for professional layouts. If your content includes small text or fine details, pick a gentler angle so everything stays readable. After you pick a preset, look at the image within the context of your sheet. If it feels too dramatic, try a lighter preset or hover again to compare alternatives. Keep the effect consistent if you're using multiple images in the same document. Matching angles creates a polished, intentional look. A couple of practical tips. Higher resolution images hold up better when rotated, so start with the clearest version you have. If the rotation exposes empty corners or uneven spacing, resize or reposition the picture so it sits neatly within your grid or layout. You can also pair 3D rotation with a soft shadow from the Picture Effects menu to enhance depth without making the image look heavy. And if you change your mind, simply press Undo to revert, or open Picture Effects again to pick a different rotation. That's all you need to apply the 3D rotation effect in Excel. Click the picture, open Picture Effects, and choose a 3D rotation preset that fits your style. Experiment a bit, keep it subtle, and your visuals will look clean, modern, and engaging.